Need to collaborate better on Zoho CRM? Here's how to invite your team members. First, log into your Zoho CRM account with admin access. From the top right, click the settings gear icon. Under Users and Control, select Users. Now, click Invite User. Enter the email address of the team member you want to invite. Assign their roles like sales rep, manager, or admin based on their responsibilities. Then, choose a profile to control what the data and modules they can use. Once done, click Send Invitation. The user will receive an email invite when they accept. They'll be added to your CRM team instantly. You can always manage user permissions later under the Roles and Profiles tab. That's it. You've successfully invited a team member on Zoho CRM. Now your team can collaborate and close deals faster all in one place. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.